just got back from school, so it's going to be a little bit messy for this video, but subscribe, hit the bell, turn on notifications, and make sure you like this video. My name is Hudson, and let's get this started. Thank you for everyone like helped my school, and now I got this. Do you know what that is? If you don't, then let's open this up and start building it. Find instructions. What's this? What's that, Dad?
That is a color-changing mood clock.
And that.
You got a lighted cinema sign.
And then this.
What is that? Open it up. I can't see it. That is a...
Huggable?
No, it's a backpack pet. You hook that on. That's gonna be one of those animals, and you hook it on there.
And
your
what
backpack.
is this?
That looks really weird. I don't know.
That's probably a tomato or something.
It's not a tomato. What's this?
This is some basketball shot things. You can play basketball with that.
All right, and why'd you get all this stuff?
Because we have to do a lot of hard work and we have to stay on our best behavior here.
No, you got this stuff due to a fundraiser
Oh yeah, I forgot to say that.
that we emailed out to the family.
I forgot.
And they bought some stuff, and you got some prizes.
Can someone get the tape off? Then I'll hold the camera and you can use the tape off. Thank you. It's a little blurry for me.
There, I got it open.
Thank you. Okay. Oh! Okay. Looks like we gotta put it together somehow. This has all of it. That's all of it. You just pull back and then you launch it into there. I know how this goes. I think I know how this goes. This goes right in there. The cameraman is my dad. Did it say my name, Dad?
Yes.
Forgot. So, free blue balls. Okay, they work. Those work. Just making sure they work. And that goes right there. Where's the other one?
I don't know. Look in the box.
That's okay.
Are they connected? I think they're connected.
Wait, one. Oh yeah, they are. They looked like they were in one piece. I can set the gates up for each team. So the blue team, I don't know what blue team side is going to be yet. Is that the correct way to do it, Dad?
Yep, you gotta hook it into the side.
Okay. This is a very good video, Dad. That was a good idea.
Yep, that looks tricky. You getting it?
No.
You can get it. Put it in the side first.
Put this one in this side.
All right, or you can put it in the bottom first. Try to see if that works.
Bottom.
Hook it into the holes at the bottom first. And then now try to do the side.
Then it won't fit. It has to be that high.
Okay, well then do the side first. Lock it in and then do it in the bottom.
Done with that.
There you go.
And now we just got this last one. So it's so this will make sure it doesn't go into the other team's place.
Yep.
Okay, let's see this. Oh, okay. Let's try this. Okay, let's see which one works better for each team. This one works better for the red team. Yep. So this is the red team and this is the blue team. So they're going to be taking turns going up and down.
All right. Well,
Next.
time. Are you going to open all of them?
Yep.
All right.
This has a lot to tape.
You can show them. You can zoom in on other stuff.
So over here we got a little like line of people. So like that one will go and then
Little
that
basketballs.
one. Yeah. Like shoots. So that would go boom.
Shoot some hoops.
Would go boom. And there's the little red pieces. My dad watches basketball and look at those little symbols. They're cool.
Here you go.
Yay! Here you go. Here you go, cameraman. What is this? I think it's a time knot.
Watch out! I can't see. Your back's to me.
Oh.
Can you read the side of it?
What does that say? I don't know.
Start there. Sound it out.
The mod.
Mood.
Mood. Clock.
Clock. Mood clock.
Moon clock.
Nice job. Hey, your back's to me. Come on. Can't see.
How does this work?
I don't know. Probably need some batteries or something.
Okay. Oh, now let's get into this. We'll get into that next. I don't know how to open this.
Why don't you get your scissors?
Okay. Now it's closed. How does this work?
Hey,
What?
you shouldn't run with scissors,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And how do you carry them when you're walking with them?
Oh yeah, I forgot to do that.
Why don't you cut where the tape is?
Wait, what tape?
Is there tape on there?
No. You just like,
You're really struggling. You got it?
now it's open.
Be careful with the scissors.
They're not poking me.
Uh-huh. Not yet. Jeez, kid.
There's the save man. Does this need batteries?
Yeah, probably. It's light up. And there should be a bunch of letters in there.
Oh yeah, that's right.
We can make our own sign, like Colby does, with Little Phoenix Studio.
Wait, we can make our own sign for him?
We can make your own sign. Or you can make one for Colby.
And
You can put his new name on there, Aspect.
is there any letters for my name?
Mm-hmm. Probably got every letter.
I don't know yet.
According to the box, it includes 60 sliding letters.
Okay, I think there was numbers though.
Yeah, there's some numbers in there too.
Wow.
All right, what's next?
Next, tomato.
I don't think that's a tomato.
I think it is. What does that say?
I don't know. Use your scissors.
Oh, yeah. I keep forgetting to use my scissors. That got close to the tomato. Now I can just flip it open and then yeah. Let's pull this thing out now. What is this?
All right, let me see the instructions.
What does it say to do? Do you do this?
It is dig it up, dinosaur skeletons, excavation instructions.
Oh. So should I pick it into it now?
Hang on,
Let's go to the table and pick it in.
hang on, hang on. Looks like we need to place the egg in a cup of water, wait for the egg to sink, wait 5 minutes to allow the egg to soften. While you're waiting, cover your work surface with newspaper or paper towel. Ooh.
What?
Then use the flat edge of the chisel to chip away at the egg until your mini dinosaur skeleton is fully revealed. Rinse your excavated dinosaur skeleton in clean water. So we'll wait till Mom gets home to do all that, okay?
Okay.
What else we got?
Do I put?
It's a egg. What else we got? Keep going. I think we got one more thing.
So it doesn't hit anything and make it. Wait, do you use that to dig
Yep,
it up?
that's the chisel.
Okay.
I can't see you. Your back's to me.
It's okay.
Face this way. What do we got?
My backpack hanger.
Backpack, buddy. Open it up. Which animal you think? Hold on. Which animal you think it's gonna be?
Let me see.
Who do we got? Looks like we got a panther.
I love panther. I want that one. Wait, does that one talk?
I don't know.
I want
Looks
to
like
get
a
one
toucan.
that talks.
Like a toucan bird, a sloth, and something else.
A sloth? I want to get one.
All right, we'll open it up. We'll see. Might have to use your scissors.
Why do I keep forgetting my scissors to use? Let's just tear that open, that part open.
Put your scissors down now.
Oh,
Watch out. Don't poke yourself in the eye.
monkey.
Monkey one.
Bye. See you in the next video.